Welcome to my YouTube channel. Essentially, I don't know what the hell this is going to turn out like. It's probably going to be me, cars, pissing about with my mates, and that'll be about it really. Today we're just going to get started messing about. I've got to do my hubs on my car. I've got a 2019 Golf R. I've had it about a month now. Just needs some extra protection. It's not so bad. Going to be ceramic coating it in the next few weeks. Need to do the hubs, which I'm going to do today. Give it a quick clean. That's about it really, and then probably, I don't know if I'll merge this into the next video, but essentially we'll be seeing a couple of lads have got a 135i, which is running 550 brake horsepower. One of the lads has got a Audi S3 8V. Might see my other mate, he's got an M3 comp, so there's plenty to come, but yeah, let's get started. Right, so grab you. Hashtag #EsCarCare. And lastly, one of these things. Fucking hell, it needs a wash. Right, she's all clean now. Sorry about the wind noise, it probably sounds shit, but yeah, all clean. Gonna put her into the garage and we'll quickly seal those hubs up. That should be done for today. So glad I went finger anyway. So glad I went for the Patories. So glad. So as you can see, we've now removed the wheel. Hammerites at the ready. Got Patoria lurking. I'll probably get the coat on and then do the rear wheel maybe. Get them on axle stands. We'll see. So yeah, got the first coat on. I mean, I'm not too sure what I'm thinking. Needs a bit more to even out, but apparently it settles over time, so we'll have a quick look. Good to have a quick look at everything's doing all pretty clean, but yeah, I mean, all I've done is just give it a quick rub down with some glue and tire remover, give it a couple of coats of Amorite, and then, I mean, a brush application isn't ideal, but I can't be asked to spray boost it at this point in time, maybe one day. But yeah, gonna crack on, get that rear wheel done. Cats are in the building. But yeah, see how we get on. Alright, first wheel's back on. That's just drying up now, but we'll see. I swear those cats actually never fucking move, but yeah, featuring the nice pink gloves as well. Of course, these things will make an appearance more times than they probably should do, but hey, so. Around, I'm losing daylight, so I'm losing a bit of fucking video quality, but yeah, I've got that one done. Again, just a light coat on the face, and then the rest of the hub's done. Gonna quick whip this wheel off. Quick show you, obviously. That rear one's now done, so again, all blacked out. So yeah, again, cats have not fucking moved, but either way. I'm gonna quick finish off this side before we lose daylight. I think one of the lads is on his way with his S3 8V, so we'll see how we get on. Also update, that last one's all done now. Again, front one's done. Yeah. Cool, baby. So yeah, other than that, I think that's about it. Probably get it off those axle stands. Get these back on it, and then it should be good to go tomorrow. Right, finally, shift this thing about. I have not driven a manual in fucking years. Therefore, this is proving more challenging than what it fucking should do. The racing camera helps a bit though. So, I've now got to somehow fit this thing back in the garage. My mum cannot park to save her life, so oh fucking hell, I've left the goddamn stool in the way for fuck's sake. Fuck you. Mr. Happy. Waiting for about 4 hours for me to sort this fucking thing out. Yo, oh fucking, I keep forgetting clutches are a thing. And apparently handbrakes, so I don't auto-release in these fucking Range Rovers. Holy shit. Right, that should be alright. Give that a fucking trial. Shitting hell, nearly ran the cat over. I don't know if that'll be okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Fucking, we're going to be cutting that close, but hey ho boys. Right, so if I grab the right set of keys, fucking, there we go. Lock that. Danny can now appear. So I'd say that is a good job done. Right, so we're on day 2. Obviously we did the hubs yesterday. Danny's here with his S3 now, so we're probably going to go for a drive out. Going to fit my plates as well before we go. I've only just really got them through. Sorted it with the Devo later today, so get those on. Sun's absolutely beaming outside. Cats are still about, so yeah, should be a good day. Oh, rip. Sorted. Right, that's the plates back on the car. Gonna quick stick all this crap back in garage. Just give the interior a quick tidy up while we're here. And then, like I say, we're gonna quick nip out. About sort of 20-minute drive or so, and then I think we're gonna go see the lad with the 135i at some point today as well. Grab some lunch in between time, so see you later. Right, we're just on the way down now. We've got Danny behind us, but yeah, we're just on our way over to Ryan's. Gonna go check out what he's on with on his car today. I think he's doing a few bits, so just waiting at the crossing, but yeah, we'll see how we get on. Ryan's car today. Essentially all we need to do is just get an idea of the base map before we apply the latest revision. Done a load of bits lately, he's rebuilt his turbos and some other stuff, so all we're going to do is just get to the nice road in Mexico, do a couple of logs, send it off to his guy, and then get it remapped. I was trying to fix his screen here.
Yeah, I'm out, lads. How much fucking work one is?
Absolute parts master in the back over here.
That's where he gets angry and breaks something.
Get hammer and chisel on it, bro.
I need those solid fingers for this bastard. We'll flap it, boys. Fucking that's where the right so. What the fuck did this come out?
Just lamp it back in, mate.
You end up in a minute. The fucking glitch. Right, hang on.
You're not going to put it like
Sticking out first.
down and back.
Yeah. I like the size of it.
How many lads did it take to put in
There we
there?
go. Got there in the end. Nothing broken.
No heavy hands today.
No one wants to buy this in the future.
Completely forgot to do since we got this new car is this. So when you wash a bottle, you'll have a little silica bag. It says Mitt Silica or whatever it is on there. Essentially this little silica bag basically just explodes over time. Gets jammed up in all your heater matrix and then blows cold air out. So VW don't always cover it, so it's best to get that thing out, fuck it off. Best thing you can do. But yeah, other than that, Danny's behind us. He's doing some bits on his car as well. So I think we'll probably get both cars finished off today. We're waiting on Ryan's tune to get back to him with a new map. And then, yeah, I think we'll probably go out and get some food. That'll be us done for today. Right, so I'm going to wrap up the video for today, guys. You know, appreciate the like, comment, subscribe, wherever you think we should take the channel. I mean, like I say, we're pretty new to this, so we're not sort of limited to anything. There will be stuff on detailing, there'll be stuff on maintenance, there'll be stuff on mods, MQB cars, you know, any sort of German stuff. Hopefully get some Jap stuff in there as well. You know, keep up to date the projects and whatever else we got going on. So yeah, appreciate any sort of feedback, to be honest. So cheers, guys. Take care.